first progression. So we're gonna learn recap back lah. 5.1. Okay, arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic progression. Okay, first part A. We're gonna learn on how to identifying a sequence. Identifying a sequence of arithmetic progression, AP, arithmetic progression. First and foremost, progression. What is the definition of progression, guys? Okay, apa itu progression? Anyone has any idea progression?
Sequence.
Dia bertambah. Pattern or sequence. Okay. Actually, the correct definition of progression is the sequence of a number arranged in a sequence, arranged in a pattern lah, arranged in pattern. So actually, you have already learned about progression waktu lower form. Form berapa kamu dah belajar pasal progression? Ingat lagi tak? Try relate. Form berapa?
Form 2.
Form 2, yes. Form 2. Apa topik yang kamu belajar waktu tu? What is the name of the
Sequence.
chapter?
Yang ada pattern tu.
Pattern and sequence. Yes, that's already you already learned about progression in your lower form actually. Okay, so this is just to recall back lah. Okay, sequence of numbers arranged in pattern. So this one is progression. But what about AP, arithmetic progression? Okay, arithmetic progression. So it's just the same thing, cuma ada certain things lah nak differentiate benda ni. Okay, a progression, it is a progression where the difference between progression that consists of addition and subtraction. Yes, the difference between two consecutive term is constant. Okay, is constant, and usually pattern there is either addition or subtraction. Okay, addition by addition or subtraction. Okay, so tapi usually kita guna plus lah in formula. So example, simple saja. Contoh 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on lah. So this is the pattern lah kira. Consecutive term ni two consecutive term yang berturut lah. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7 and so on. So 1, 3, the pattern is plus 2. 3, 5 plus 2. 5, 7 pun plus 2. So as long as all of the consecutive term tu punya difference is constant, so we call it as arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression ni dia only involve plus or minus dia punya pattern. Kalau darab or bahagi, later you will learn in 5.2 geometric progression. Okay, that one involve multiplication and division. Also power, I guess. Okay, so this one. Okay, constant value. Okay, constant value tu apa yang membezakan dia lah, constant value. So actually, constant value, we call it as common different. Okay, common different. Common different ni dia ada dia punya variable sendiri. What is the variable for common different? Huruf apa yang kita guna untuk common different?
D.
Huruf D, yes, correct. Huruf D. D. We use D. Okay, D. Okay, and then term. Ni istilah-istilah dia lah. Term. What is a term? Term represent numbers lah. Dia punya value. Okay, we use T N something. So Tn. N tu represent dia punya kedudukan, dia punya place in the arrangement. Adakah dia nombor yang kedudukan yang ke-50, the place is 60, 70 or something like that lah. Waalaikumsalam. Okay. So term is the position of the numbers in the sequence. Okay, that's what we call term. So we use T define the term, and tu dia punya kedudukan yang keberapa. Okay, so to find D, we use Tn minus Tn minus 1. Okay, this is the formula to find D. Very simple saja. Common difference. Yalah, kita kan common difference is obtained by finding the difference between two consecutive terms. So that's why we use Tn dengan Tn minus 1. Okay, so number yang second number minus number sebelum dia. So when you find the difference between those two, that is the common difference, the value of D. Okay, the value of D. Okay. Okay, next tu simple saja, D identifying. Okay, now we move on to finding D. Deriving and using formula of n term Tn for arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So macam mana nak guna progression? How do we derive the formula? Okay, first term, which is T1, also have another name for it. What kind of number? Huruf apa yang kita guna untuk represent first term?
A.
A, yes. So T1 is equal to A. Okay. So first term is A. Second term is T2. Third term is T3. Fourth term is T4, and so on. So the difference between these two is D lah. Okay, common difference D, and so on. So everything is equal to T. So based on this one, plus T plus T plus T. You know, T1 is equal to A. So T2, how to find the value of T2? How do you find A plus D? Yes, correct. Per C, A plus D. What about T3?
A
plus
A
D
plus
plus D.
D2.
A plus D plus D. Siapa tadi bawah yang kata A plus D ataupun kita boleh simplify dia A plus 2D. Okay. So what about T4?
A plus 3D.
A plus 3D. Very simple. Kalau T5, kalau tak ada dalam tu T5. What do you think kalau T5?
A plus T4 minus 1.
No. Tengok je pattern yang macam
A
sebelum-sebelum
plus
dia. Nampak tak?
4D.
4D.
Yes, betul. 4D, betul bawah. A plus 4D. Kalau T20, what about T20?
A plus 19D.
A plus 19D. Yes, correct. So kalau macam tu, we want to find the value of Tn. Kalau Tn, apa formula untuk cari Tn kalau based on pattern yang kita dah tengok sebelum tu? What is the formula to find the Tn? So, tengok ke depan. Benda pertama kena ada what? What is the first? A and then plus.
A
plus n minus 1.
and 1.
Bracket times T. Yes,
T.
that's how you derive the formula for finding the nth term for arithmetic progression. A plus bracket n minus 1 times dengan D. Why? Tengoklah based on patterns kita boleh dapat kat sini. Okay. So A is definitely T1. So nak cari T2, A plus D. And then the value of D tu dia akan kurang satu daripada term tu. Cara darab bila T3, A plus 2D. T4, A plus 3D, and that's why for Tn, A plus bracket n minus 1 times D. Okay, so that's the formula dia lah. So this one, these two, the formula that you need to remember lah. Tn dengan D. Okay, Tn dengan D. D tu macam mana nak cari D? Tn minus term sebelum dia, Tn minus 1. Kalau Tn, A plus n minus 1 bracket times D. So to use this formula, kita tengok example So how to familiarize you guys with the formula. Okay. So the formula is Tn equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 times D. For D pula formula Tn minus t n minus 1. Okay. Example question. Example 1. Example 1. A. Given -8, -3, -2. Okay, and then the question asks you to find the 30th term. Okay, the 30th term. So how to find the formula of this? So first and foremost, kamu kena cari a few things that you need to remember. First, cari nilai
D.
A. No, tak apa. Kita
A.
follow one by one. Kan nak cari D pun tak apa, tapi follow start A dulu. So A. So the first term equal to what? The first term
-8.
-8. Okay, D. Macam mana nak cari nilai D? This is
First
1.
term minus
This is first term ke minus? First
second
term minus
term
second term. Second term minus first term, ataupun kamu nak pilih third term minus second term pun boleh, as long as dia two consecutive term. Okay, tapi yang besar, term yang lagi besar tolak term yang lagi kecil. Macam ni. So T2 minus T1 lah, sebab tu dia tulis N tolak dengan N minus 1, term yang N minus 1. Okay, kalau kamu buat T1 minus T2, cannot lah T2 minus T2, cannot. Dia kena yang term yang lagi besar tolak term sebelum dia, and dia kena consecutive. Ni maksudnya consecutive, nombor yang berturutan. So to find the value of D, -3 minus -8. So what is the difference for this common difference? Dia berapa?
5.
5. Okay, betul. 5. Okay, now we need to know the n term, which is n lah. So n, term keberapa? Which term are we finding out?
30.
30th.
30th term. So n is equal to t. So now we want to find the value of tn. Okay, tn yang kita tak tahu. So how to find it? Just substitute into the formula. So we try. Okay, so tulis balik formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket d. So our tn yang kita nak cari, so a is equal to -8 plus n is 30. So based on formula, all the information yang kita ada, -1, d is 5. And then you just press your calculator. What is the value? Okay, press your calculator. What value will you obtain for term 30? The 30th term for this question. -8 plus bracket 30 minus 1 bracket 5. Equal to what, guys? No one has calculator with them right now. Kira berapa dapat? Internet slow ni. Tak ada yang 137. Yes, correct. 137. Okay, 137. Okay, so that's with the 30th term. T30. Okay, simple saja. Term 30. Okay, so this is the information needed lah kiranya. This is the information needed. When you obtain all the information, you substitute into the formula. Right, by -3 minus -8. Okay, this part D. Okay, siapa? Haziq tanya, why -3 minus -8? Okay, ingat tengok formula untuk cari D, common difference. D is equal to T n minus T n minus 1. This is the formula. Kita nak cari dia punya common difference. Okay, so untuk cari common difference dia, kita guna formula ni, Tn minus Tn minus 1. So, example, kita ada this one, -8, -3, -2. Okay, kalau kamu ambil Tn kamu -8, contohlah -8. Tolak, but do you know the value before the Tn minus 1? Tn minus 1 is T kosong. Do you know the value of T0? Term 0, kamu tahu tak? No. So tak boleh guna -8 as first. So kalau kita try pula, N kita guna 2. So maksudnya T2 tolak T2 tolak 1. Okay. So term kedua is equal to what? Term kedua, Haziq. What is the second term in this pattern, in this sequence? What is the second term? -3, this part. So we take the negative 3. Okay, minus. Okay, T2 minus 1. So T2 minus 1 is equal to T1, which is the first term. So our first term is negative 8. That's why kita ambil negative 8. So we obtain negative 3 plus 8, which is equal to 5. Okay. So kalau kamu tak nak guna n is equal to 2, kamu nak guna waktu n is equal to 3. Contohlah, waktu n is equal to 3. So nak cari common difference dia. So T3 minus T2. Yes, you can just use nak guna n dia sama dengan 2 ataupun n dia sama dengan 3. Okay, tapi kena tengok jugalah based on pattern yang dia bagi. Kalau dia bagi pattern T1, T2, T3 sampai T4, sampai T5, up to you nak pilih mana. Tapi tak boleh start dengan T1. Cannot start with T1. Sebab apa? Term dia tu kena tolak dengan term sebelum dia. So kalau kamu ambil T1, if you take T1, you need to subtract it with the previous term. There is no previous term before T1. Sebab tu kita mula dengan T2. At least kalau T2, kamu boleh tolak dengan T1. Or you choose T3, you minus with T2. Okay, ini formula dia. Tn minus Tn minus 1. Okay, tentu je simple saja. Okay, dapat dah. Okay, this one, I want you to try. Simple saja. To question B. Jawab, and then if you already find the answer, just raise your hand. No need to state the answer yet. Okay, we have 7, 4, 1 and so on. Okay, find the 27th term. Okay, answer now, and if you already find the answer, raise your hand. Okay, okay, time given is 1 minute. Okay, try jawab. Seven, 4, 1 and so on. Okay, so you need to find out A, D, and Tn apa dia, and then substitute into the formula. T27. Okay, Percy sudah, bawah sudah. Another, Nurin dah, Chanda sudah. Baru 4 orang. Yang lain tengah still answering. Okay, tak apa. Another 30 second. Okay, Haziq dah. Good. Hello. Syazwani dah. Kanyan dah. Wani tadi angkat tangan turun balik. Kanyan dah. Shasha. Okay. Nah, it's okay. So now I want to ask Kanyan, can you open your mic? Hello Kanyan. Kanyan boleh bersuara ke tidak? Selalu Kanyan ni boleh je bersuara.
Go.
Okay, now Kanyan. You cannot raise the hand button. Okay, now Kanyan. For this question, what is the value of A, Kanyan?
Dia 7.
7. Yes. Okay, it's possible. Speak English. Okay, D. The common difference there. What is the value for common difference, Kanyan?
3.
3. How did you get 3?
The second term minus the first term.
So the second term here is what?
Salah. The first term minus the second term.
Aish. Betul lah yang tadi tu. The
Betul.
second term. Tengok ni, apa formula untuk D? Tengok, D is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1. If you take the first term minus, kalau kamu ambil T1, so maksudnya kamu kena tolak dengan T 0. T0. Kenapa 0? Sebab N ni kan 1. 1 tolak 1 berapa?
0.
0 kan? So that's why ada ke T0 in this equation?
Tak ada.
No. So can you take T1 minus something? We cannot.
No.
At least ambil start dengan N waktu N is equal to 2. So waktu N is equal to 2, what is the value? T2 equal to what, Kanyan?
T2.
This is T1, this is T2, this is T3. So T2.
2 tolak term 1.
Term 2 tolak term 1. T2 minus T1. So T2 kamu berapa?
4,
4 minus
7,
7. So equal to what?
-3.
Yes, -3. So how come you get 3 just now? Okay.
Oh.
Tengoklah betul-betul. Jangan sebab kamu nampak 7 tu lagi besar, kamu pun buat 7 tolak 4. Cannot like that. Dia kena term tu lagi besar, bukan number tu yang lagi besar. Okay. Tak pun you can choose. Kalau tak nak ni 3T3 minus T2. Kalau macam tu 1 minus 4, which is just the same thing, -3 also. Okay. Okay, now dah dapat D. Okay, now N. Kita nak cari term yang keberapa ni?
Term ke 27.
27. So T27. T27 yang kita nak cari. Unknown. Okay, so masukkan dalam formula. Tengok Tn equal to A 7 plus 27 minus 1 times D -3. So press your calculator Kanyan. What value would you get?
71. So
71. Positive or negative?
-71.
Kena sebutlah -71. Okay, kalau ada kat depan mata ni dah kena ketuk ketampi dah 10.
Yeah.
Okay, -71. So that's how you get the value. Okay, faham? Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay, very
Yes,
simple.
sir.
Okay, now kita move on to another example. Okay, this one a bit complicated sikit. A bit je, tak susah pun. A bit je. Okay, example, the term is question C. M minus 3, 2M minus 1, 3M plus 1, and so on. And question asks you to find the 50th term. Okay, 50th term. Okay, this is T1, T2, T3. So I gave you 1 minute to answer this. After you obtain the final answer, raise your hand. Okay, 1 minute, please answer. Okay, cari dulu formula, all the valuable information. A, D dengan N dengan Tn. And then find the value of Tn. Okay. Saya jawab yang ni. Ini in term of variable. Maksudnya dia ada nilai, dia ada unknown. Kita tak tahu. Tapi still, we can still find the 50th term. How? Try jawab dulu. 1 minute from now. Okay. You can find your hand raise button, the raise hand button for some reason. Ayo, tak apa, it's okay. Then just comment lah if you already finished answering the question. So we have 22, right? So ada yang dah keluar. 24. Okay, macam biasa cari dulu nilai. Find the value of A, the value of D, the value of N, and the value of Tn. Okay, another 30. Oh, dah nak kat 9 minit dah ni. Okay, I gave you another 30 seconds. Okay, everyone's currently still answering. Okay, no one able to answer yet. Okay, another 10 seconds. Cannot answer. Okay. Dah. Siapa tu? Haziq Tadi komen. Jap sir. Okay. Lagi. Ada 30 saat. Saya bagi lagi 30 saat. Ada 30 second.
Tak boleh. So.
Kanyan tak boleh jawab. Okay, tak apa. Haziq dah dapat. Haziq dah boleh jawab. Siapa yang jawab tu? Haziq dengan Demong. Okay, Demong. Tak apa Haziq, nanti Haziq. Demong, can you open your mic? Dengar suara dah mong. Kalau mungkin mic ada problem kot. Haziq boleh bersuara Haziq? Got, okay, kan dah dapat. Hello je suara Haziq. Kuat lagi Haziq? Okay Haziq. Your value of A is equal to what Haziq?
M minus 3.
M minus 3, correct. Okay, now your D. Okay, how did you get your D? Macam mana?
T2 minus T1.
T2 minus T1. So what is your T2?
M minus 2.
Apa dia?
M minus 2.
M minus 2. So that's your final answer lah.
Yes, sir.
M minus 2 kah? Okay, tak apa. Tengok dulu. T2 kamu berapa? What is your value of T2? T2. 2M minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus. T1 kamu berapa?
M minus 3.
M minus 3. Tapi ingat, bila ada dua term, maksud kita kena bracket kan Aziz? Okay, you need to bracket. Okay, after this, kita kira. Okay, 2M minus 1. Yeah, it should be plus. Tak apa. Nanti, sabar tu. Okay, so this one, negatif jumpa positif jadi negatif M. Negatif jumpa negatif sini jadi berapa Aziz? Jadi berapa tu Aziz? Positif what? Positif
3.
3. Yes. Then baru kita simplify. So 2M minus M equal to
M
M. Negative 1 plus 3.
plus 2.
Yes,
Two.
plus 2. So how did you get tolak 2 tadi? Adalah tu salah. Okay. Now this is your D. Now your N. N kamu term yang keberapa?
50.
50. Tak apa. Bersih dah jawab. So T50. Tn yang kita nak cari. T50. And then we substitute into formula. So what is the formula for Tn? Bacakan balik. Tn equal to what? What is
M
the
minus.
formula? The formula.
A plus
A.
n bracket n minus 1
Times
D.
D. Okay, now you substitute. Okay, A is M minus 3. Okay, and then plus your N is 50 minus 1. Okay, betul Aziz. Your D is M plus 2. Okay, and then we need to solve it one by one. Okay, macam mana nak solvekan dia? Cik biasa. So M minus 3 plus. So this part you solvekan dulu using grad method. Expandkan dia dulu. Expandkan dia. Tak pun yang ni boleh solve je terus. 50 minus 1 is 49 M plus 2. This one baru kita expand lah. Lebih laju pula saya expand tadi. So we will have M minus 3. Okay, 49 times M is plus 49 M. Plus still plus 49 times 2 equal to
98
98. And then you solve lah. Okay, M plus 49M equal to
50n
50M.
M. And then negative 3 plus 98,
95.
95.
95, positive 95. So this is your final answer. Okay, macam tu je. Very simple je sebenarnya. Just that this time sebab dia guna in term of unknown, M, variable. So maybe a bit complicated bila kamu nak cari when you trying to find the value of common difference. Okay, but then it just algebra, very simple, just expansion and so on. Okay, very simple saja. Okay, now sekarang kita just buat soalan je sebab untuk 5.1 lebih kurang macam ni je. Lepas tu semua just buat soalan. Okay, now example 2. Tadi example 1 ABC, now example 2. Example 2, given arithmetic progression negative 8, negative 6.5, negative 5, and negative 3.5, and so on. The question asks, which term is 37? Okay, soalan kata, given arithmetic progression negative 8, negative 6.5, negative 5, negative 3.5. And question asks, which term is 37? So actually, what is the, apa yang kita nak cari? Kita nak cari value A ke, value B ke, value N ke, value Tn? Which one do you think that we want to find?
Value A.
Value N.
Value of N, correct. Value of N. N je Haziq, bukan Tn. N. Kenapa N? Sebab dia kata which term. Term ni merujuk kepada N sahaja. Okay. Now kita cari value one by one. So, A. So, what is your value of A? A sama dengan apa?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Okay. Common difference. Terus kira. What is your value of common difference? Kira terus. Dapat berapa common difference kamu? 1.5.
1.5.
Yes, correct. Start dengan Percy. 1.5. So, N ni yang kita tak tahu. Tn. Do we know the value of Tn?
37.
37. Yes, correct. So 37 is Tn. Okay, this is Tn. This is Tn. This is N. Okay, that's the difference between N dengan Tn. Okay, Tn tu satu value. Tn tu value. N tu adalah dia punya position dalam position keberapa dalam satu sequence itu. Okay, itu the difference between those N dengan Tn lah. So, and then we just substitute into formula. So Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 bracket D. So your Tn is 37, your A is negative 8 plus N we didn't know, so just put N. D is 1.5. Then first, use algebra. Okay, use algebra. When I say algebra, it means that transferring, expansion and all of those calculation biasa. So first you transfer this one first. Okay, and then it became 37 plus 8 equal to bracket N minus 1, 1.5. Okay, we want to find the value of N. So, next kamu transfer je yang 1.5 ni terus transfer pergi sebelah. Okay, 1.5 pergi sebelah, dia jadi apa? What happened to the operation?
Bagi.
Yes, division. Division, betul. So, 37 plus 8 divided by 1.5 equal to N minus 1. Okay, can someone calculate this value for me? 37 plus 8 divided by 1.5. Tambah dulu baru bahagi 1.5. What value will you get?
30.
30.
30. Okay, 30 is equal to N minus 1. So, when you want to find the value of N, just transfer negative 1 to the other side. So, your N is equal to what?
31.
29.
29. Ada siapa sebut 29 tadi?
31.
31.
Siapa sebut 29 tadi?
Bawah.
Siapa? Siapa? Bawah ke Percy? Antara dua orang tu.
Saya guna
Tersebut.
31.
Negatif pergi sebelah jadi positif. Don't forget. Okay, so you get the answer 31. Okay, very simple saja. Okay, lagi example 3. Find common difference. Okay, now okay, example 3. Okay, example 3. This time I show one more and then example 4 saya nak kamu buat. Example 3. The first term, example 4. Tak apa lah, this one kamu jawab example 3. The first term and the 47th term of arithmetic progression. When I say AP is arithmetic progression, it's just the short form. Progression are 20 and 5 to 6. Okay, 5 to 6 respectively. Find common difference. Okay, so I read again the question. The first term and the 47th term of arithmetic progression are 20 and 5 to 6 respectively. Find common difference. So what is apa variable yang kita nak cari sekarang? D. Okay, now try jawab sendiri. Okay, try jawab lo. So A, D, N, T, N, and now we want to find this. Okay, I want you to answer first. I gave you at most 2 minutes. Try jawab, okay? And then if, oh laju Tan. Okay, good. Mesti sebab saya tengah menyalin tu dia dah start dah menjawab. Tak apa. Wait for a minute ya. We wait for your friend to answer first. Laju kan Yan, okay?
Laju sir.
Berapa jawapan kamu dapatkan Yan?
Sama dengan Tan.
Berapa yang sama dengan Tan tu? Berapa? Try jawab lo. Another 1 minute and 30 second. Senang saja. As long as you know how to identify the information given, insyaAllah boleh jawab. Jen, boleh jawab Jen? Dia tengah menjawab lagi. Okay, jawab dia dulu. Okay, I'll wait. Siapa lagi ada dalam ni? Afika, Persida, Aniza, Alia. Girls ni kalau if you cannot understand, please ask question ya. Because this arithmetic progression topic is very simple, very easy. Okay, nanti kalau GP tu baru dia complicated sikit. GP dia very simple because it only involve plus minus and the formula are very simple. Okay, another 1 minute. Nurin, Nurin, kalau if you have any problem you can ask me lah. Okay, don't feel ashamed to ask question, okay? Malu boleh PM, directly boleh PM. Okay, another 30 second. Okay, yang lain. And yang able to answer is Tan, Kanyan, and Percy. Jangan tengah menjawab kot. Okay, I give another 30 second and then we will discuss lah. 30 second. Okay, Haziq dah jawab. Okay, now masa dah habis. Okay, so now I want somebody yang, yes Jen?
Dah.
Okay Jen, alang-alang kamu dah buka mic kamu jawab. Okay, now Jen. Tak apa, kalau tak habis tak apa, kita jawab sama-sama. Okay, now Jen. What is the value of A, Jen?
20.
20. How come you get 20? Kenapa kamu boleh conclude yang A is equal to 20? Boss, dia dah state lah kan, first term. 20, yes, correct. Okay, now D, we don't know. Okay, we move on. Don't know T, ni unknown. So N, term yang keberapa yang we can use? Which term yang kamu guna? N, what is the value of N?
47.
47. Okay. Guys, please use English. Nombor je pun takkan tak boleh guna English. Okay, nombor je boleh guna English. So your TN is what?
526.
Yes, 526. Okay, 526. And then we just substitute into the formula. So Jan, what is the formula for TN again, Jan? TN equal to?
A.
A
plus
plus
bracket n minus 1 close bracket minus 1
okay.
close
So your
bracket
Tn is what? 5.
526
Yes. Your A is
20
so this one is 47 minus 1D. Okay. Next step buat apa Jan?
move 20 to the left hand side
Okay.
and minus
Yeah, become minus. So 5 to 6 minus 20. Okay, this one. Can we solve 47 minus 1 equal to berapa?
46
4060. Okay, next step.
move 46 to the left hand side and become divide
Can divide. Yes, okay. So 5 to 6 minus 20 over 46. So what is your value of D? Sang calculator.
11
11.
5. Persi dah kirakan. Okay. 11. So very simple. So that's the answer. That's the common difference. Okay. Simple saja. Very simple. No trouble pun. Okay. Very simple saja. So as long as you can identify of these 4 information, insyaAllah you can answer the question lah. Okay. So next, example 4. Example 4. Given this one, we do it together. Tapi waktu sesalin kalau ada yang dah rajin nak jawab pun boleh terus jawab. Given arithmetic progression, -5, -2, 1 and so on. Find the nth term Tn in its lowest form. Then find the 50th term. Okay. So first and foremost, the question asks you to find the nth term. Ataupun this one, ni beza. Bila dia suruh cari nth term, maksudnya dia suruh cari Tn. Kalau dia just suruh cari find the term, maksudnya dia nak suruh cari n. Okay, that's the difference between nth term dengan term. So now dia suruh cari Tn first. So we pun find all the formula needed. A, B, N, Tn. So anyone can answer what is the value of A?
-5.
-5. Okay. D, the difference, the common difference is what?
3.
3. Okay, others pun boleh jawab, janganlah menunggu Persi sahaja. Okay, N, okay, untuk the first one ni, what is the value of N? Dia suruh cari
60
50 tu soalan kedua. Asal tu,
Lowest.
first. No, lowest form tu bentuk. Find the nth term. So maksudnya term ke berapa dia nak tu?
Yang ke N.
Yang ke N. N. Why N? Because ni dia dah sebut dah. Find the nth term. So maksudnya they want us to find the formula to find nth term. N saja. Tapi N tu sekarang in term of variable, in term of unknown N. So kita letak N jugalah. So your Tn is what we want to find. Okay. So macam mana nak buat? Sama je. Just substitute in the formula. So Tn equal to your A is -5 plus N. Your N is still N. So N minus 1 bracket D. Okay. And then dia suruh apa lagi? D. Your D is berapa dah your D? Your D is 3. Your D is 3. Okay, and then you expandkan dulu. Ini lowest form. Bila dia kata lowest form tu maksudnya simplify. Okay. So and then -5 and then plus this one. Yes, and betul. You just expand je lah. Okay. So you will have 3n minus 3. Okay, and then 3n, so negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. This is the nth term. Okay, this is the nth term. 3n minus 8. Dia dah kata in its lowest form. Lowest form maksudnya the simplest form lah. So if you only leave your answer at here, negative 5 plus 3n minus 3, that wasn't the lowest form yet. So make sure kalau boleh simplify saja. So now the second question, baru dia ask, okay, find the 50th term. Now baru dia minta T50. Okay, so now baru kita cari T50 is equal to, so just masukkan n tu equal to 50. So 3, 50 minus 8 directly. Tak perlu dah kamu nak start berawal balik. Okay, no need to start from the earlier stage, earlier calculation. Why? Because we already know Tn is equal to 3n minus 8. So we just substitute n dengan 50. So 3 bracket 50 minus 8. So what is the final answer?
One for two.
142, correct. 142. Cantik je lah. Okay, ingat kalau if the question ask 142. If the question ask for the nth term, maksudnya kita cari in term of n. So bukan n, term tu kiranya dalam sebutan n lah. Tak ada term 1, 2, 3. Bukan. Dia dalam n. So just substitute dengan n. Then bawah tu baru the question 1. Macam tadi T50. Bila dah dapat Tn baru kita cari T50. Okay, last question. This one you answer. Okay, example 5. Example 5. The nth term of n arithmetic progression is given by Tn equal to 4n minus 7. Find A, the first term, B, common difference, C, T50. Okay, now please answer this question. Okay, now 252. So since we have 3 questions, I give you 3 minutes. 255 we discuss. Okay, take your time properly, fahamkan betul-betul what is the question 1. Okay, and then if you already obtain the final answer for those 3 questions, baru raise your hand. Kenapa hilang? Okay, another 1 more minute. Should be 1 more minute. Now it's 254. Yes. Yeah, Jen. Apa dia?
I don't know.
Apa kamu nak tanya? You don't know. Okay, contoh yang A, the first term. So maksudnya waktu the first term, n equal to what kalau waktu the first term?
N equal to 1.
Yang
N is equal to, I'm not sure betul tidak so, tapi
N equal to N.
N equal, the first term, what to the first term? N equal to what to the first term?
U.
tu jawapan Tn ke equation?
Ini equation, this is the equation for Tn. This is the equation for Tn. Just macam yang kita cari tadi lah, equation for Tn, this one. Equation for Tn.
Oh,
Ini
iya.
kiranya dia dah simplifykan dah. Tn ni in the simplest form. So when they ask for the first term, meaning that N equal to what to the first term?
1.
Yes, 1. So you substitute je lah. 4 bracket 1 tolak 7. Directly dapat T1. Okay, and then waktu common different. Kan kita nak cari, kita dah tahu T1 kita dah dapat based on question A. So kita just cari T2. Bila kamu dapat nilai T2, T2 tolaklah dengan T1, dapatlah nilai D. And then T50, just substitute je lah, N is equal to 50 into the equation. Try.
So buat C dulu lah kan, sir?
Nak buat C dulu pun boleh, nak buat, tapi semua tu senang je, A, B, C, tak susah pun. Boleh je nak buat A, B, C directly. Okay, tak apalah, ada 4 minit je, jom kita buat sama-sama. Okay, dengar elok-elok. Okay, dia kata the n term. Okay, the n term. N term ni selalunya term yang term n, in term of n lah, is Tn equal to 4n minus 7. Find the first term. So what to the first term? A. What to the first term? N is equal to what, guys?
1.
N is equal to 1. So to find the value of the first term, we just substitute T1, which is equal to 4. N tu gantilah dengan 1 minus 7. So your T1 is equal to what?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Yes, negative 3. So that was T1. Okay. And then the second question, they ask us to find common difference. Okay, common difference. Kita tahu untuk cari common difference, kita kena ada 2 consecutive term. Okay, kena ada 2 consecutive term. 2 consecutive term. So we already have T1. So apa lagi yang kita kena cari untuk cari common difference?
T2.
T2, correct. So 4 bracket 2 minus 7. So what is the answer for this one? T2. You dapat berapa? Negative 1 ke 1, Haziq?
1.
1, Haziq. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Haziq. So now to find the value of D, T2 minus T1. So we get lah 1 minus negative 3. So our common difference is equal to what? What is our common difference? 1 minus
Negative 2.
Positive 2.
Positive 4.
Oh,
Positive 4. Apa? Positive 4.
2.
4, right? 1 minus bracket 4. 4. So D4. Our common difference is 4. This one just press calculator je. 1 minus bracket negative 3. Okay, dapatlah 4. So dah siap A dengan B. Already obtain A and B dah siap. So buatlah C. The question C asks T50. So how to find? Just substitute. Yes, T50 is equal to 4 bracket 50 minus 7. So what is the answer?
193.
193, yes.
Yeah.
193 because 4 times 50 is 200 minus 7. 193. So dah dapat jawapan. Okay, simple je. Jangan pula kamu rajin-rajin nak cari Tn sekali lagi. It's already given Tn punya formula. Kiranya this one is Tn punya formula. Okay, macam simplest form yang tadi ni yang kita dah cari. Find Tn in its lowest form. So kiranya ini formula for the Tn, the term. So nak cari term pertama, so we just substitute je lah. N tu gantikan N dengan 1. Kalau dia minta T40, so just ganti N dengan 40. Something like that. And then common difference. Common difference is the difference between 2 consecutive terms. So we already have T1. So we only just need to find T2. So T2 tolak T1, we get the common difference, which is 4. And then the final question is T50. So just substitute into TN punya equation. Just ganti N dengan 50. You got the answer. Okay? Okay, faham tak? Any more question before we end our class?
No for now.
No, for now. It's okay.
Yeah.
So now, your task for tonight, ataupun after this lah kalau kamu tak ada kerja, saya akan share one video in GC. So I want you to watch the video and then I want you to answer textbook question. Nanti saya akan textbook question. Saya akan update soalan tu dalam GC. Video pun saya akan update dalam GC. So just kamu tengok je dalam GC tu, tengok video kat situ and then just answer directly question yang saya upload dalam GC tu. Okay, and then we will discuss the question tomorrow. Okay, sebab kita ada kelas tomorrow kan. So questionnya tak banyak pun, a few je. Okay, so later in the video kamu akan belajar pasal sum of arithmetic progression. Okay, sum of arithmetic progression. Very simple juga yang tu. So that's all for today lah. So just a little recap before we end our class. So today we learn about arithmetic progression. Okay. So benda yang penting in arithmetic progression is the value of this one lah. First kena tahu how to find the value of common difference. And then how to find the term for arithmetic progression, this one. Okay, how to use it, just cari these four important things. A, which is the first term, B, which is the common difference, and the term itself, and Tn, the value for the term. Okay, this four is very important. Okay, so that's all for today. So before I end our class, I will call the attendance. So after I call your name, you can left the Gmail lah macam biasa.